Okay lads, in today's question we have a pentagon shaped prism. So as we can see here in our side view we have a pentagon. As we know, a pentagon has 5 faces. A polygon has to fit inside a circle which is 360 degrees. So if we divide 360 divided by 5, we'll get an angle of 72. So we know our angles of our pentagon are 72. We have our length then here for our elevation, which is grand. So we also know that it's going to be scales down for isometric scale. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm just going to minimize this. Just leave it here for the moment. We're going to work on the left hand side. And on the left hand side I'm going to start with my isometric scale. Now for my isometric scale, very important that we draw a horizontal line. The horizontal line is not going to be of any benefit to us. We just draw it just to create definition to it. 30 degrees and 45 degrees. On the big line, which is the 45 degrees, I'm going to put my measurement. I have a 50, 15, 20, 15, 30, 70 and 30. I'm going to put these measurements up here on this line. So I've got here 30, and I can write it 30, 70, 50, 15 and 20. Now, very important, we need to scale down. So I'm going to take these 5 dimensions and I'm going to bring them down vertically. So these come down vertically until they hit the 30 degree line. These are going to be the measurements that we're going to actually use. So this distance, that's 50, this is 20, this is 30, this is 50 and this is 70. I'm going to come down now a little bit, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my XY line. Now lads, it's very important that the XY line is going to be labelled in dark. I'm not going to darken it yet until I've drawn my shapes and how long it's going to be, just to save measurements. Now, if I come over here for a pentagon, and it's going to be scaled 50. So up here I have my 50, there's my 50. I'm going to get my scales dimension now. So I'm just using my compass. You don't have to use a compass. If you want, you can use a ruler for this. I'm going to get my 50. Just measure off 50 here and here. And I'm going to that's the base, that's the length of the base, like so. Now I'm going to get my 72 degrees. 72 degrees, which is going to be obviously not using my protractor. Now, so I'm going to get my protractor, line it up, measure 72. Please remember 72 is not 68. And as you can see, we're going to draw the line here. This is a construction line, so it goes on as long as we want. Same on the right hand side, we're going to measure our 72 degrees. Lovely. Now, to find the rest of it, I'm going to get my compass. And using my compass, I'm going to put my scaled 50, which is the length of one side, onto it, swing an arc here, and swing an arc here. That gives me my 2 sides, which I can now draw in dark. To get the top point, I'm going to put the point of my compass here, and swing, top point here, and swing. And where my 2 arcs meet, that gives me the top of my pentagon. So I'm just going to join these 2 to here. Lovely. So that's that point there. Now, the next thing I need to do is I need to get, this is my side view, I need to get my elevation. I know my elevation is going to be 30, 70, 30. Just going to minimize this fella a little bit and put him up here. So for my elevation, I'm going to bring my points straight over. It does not matter how much there are of these. Okay? It does not matter how much of a gap I leave. Now I'm going to measure scales 30, scales 70, and scales 30. So there's 30, 70, and finally 30. Once we have those points, we're going to go vertically up from each of those points. Now I'm just going to take this opportunity to darken in my XY line, okay? So I know how long now my elevation and my side view are going to be. Very important that your XY line goes in dark, and also very important that we label it, the XY line. Lovely. Now, we haven't completely finished it. As you can see, we have this box here. I have a 15, 20, and 15 here. So scaled 15, mark it off on the side here, and scaled 20. That gives me those 2 points, which I now bring straight over to my elevation. When I bring over those 2 points, it gives me the rectangle in the middle, and I can now darken in Lovely. So as you can see, we have our side view elevation. Now we need to get our 3D shape. So I'm just going to minimize this, make it as small as I can, because all I need to see is the, and I'm going to put him down here. Lovely. I'm going to draw my 3D shape here. Now, we have a little bit of a problem with my pentagon. As you can see, my pentagon is not square. There is angles in it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the solution I've used several times. We're going to make a triangle. Now, you'll see what I mean in a moment. By drawing a vertical line here, I'm making this angle. I'm just going to colour this in just to give it a little bit of definition. I have the triangle which is giving me this 72-degree line. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm also going to get this triangle on top. So that gives me that triangle there as well. Yet again, going to colour it in nice and gently, nice and lightly, just to highlight it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my crow's foot at this point right here, this point. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to get my 30 to 60, and I'm going to draw my crow's foot. And obviously when my 2 points meet, I'm just going to draw a little vertical line. Now, obviously you won't do this on your page, lads, I just want to highlight it. If I take this point here, this blue dot is going to be this point here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw my yellow triangle here first. So in order to get the yellow triangle, I'm going to take this distance here, using my compass. I'm going to mark it off here. And I'm going to take the height off it as well. Now, as we know, once we have the points of our triangle, we can join it. Yeah, again, just got to colour it in to give it a little bit of definition. Lovely. So that's how to give me this yellow triangle. Now, what that has also given me is this side of my pentagon. So I can darken in this side here now. Brilliant. I can also get this length here. So the arc. And that can give me a bit of base here. Lovely. So at the moment I have this line and this line. I'm next going to try and get this line up here, and that involves getting the green triangle. In order to get the green triangle, I'm going to get my compass again, and I'm going to measure this height, mark it off there, and from this point I'm going to go back at 30 degrees. Now, use my compass again, I'm going to get the distance from here to here, and mark it off. And that gives me the 3 points of my green triangle. And just a little bit of colour. Okay, so that has given me obviously this line up here, which is kind of going dark. I'm missing this line and this line. Now obviously you could go away and do another triangle here and over here, but there's an easier way. These 2 points are on the same horizontal line. So if I was to draw a 30-degree line from here, get the distance of this red line on my compass and mark it up here. Just put in red as well, just to highlight it. That obviously gives me that point, which I now can join back to the other points. And that gives me the face of my pentagon. So I now have the face of my pentagon. Next, I have to make it 3D. So from these points, I'm going to go back 20 degrees. Now, you'll note I'm not going to use this point anymore because we've moved our pentagon in. I use this point in order to construct the pentagon. So I'll go back 30 degrees, 30 degrees, 30 degrees, and 30 degrees. Now, we're going to be able to get the length from my elevation. So there's the length of my elevation. I'm going to mark it off on each one of them. And when I have that, my next move is going to be to join the dots. Now, as we know, these 2 lines should be parallel. as should these two. And finally these two. So you could also use sliding set squares there if you want to solve that. Now you'll notice I haven't drawn this dark yet. We have a little slot here, which is scales 30, scale 70, scale 30. So I just left this so I could do my measurement on it. So 30 and 70. Now I spoke about these two lines being parallel. These two will also be parallel. So don't take the set square again. Line them up to do sliding set squares. Parallel line. Parallel line. Lovely. Now, now I need to get my distances here. As we can see, we know that we have a scaled 15 and a scaled 20 here. We know that from the question. So I'm just going to get this distance right here. I'm going to mark it off here. And then get the 20 scaled and mark it off. Now, these need to go back at 30 degrees. As you can see, I like seeing all the construction lines in detail. I think it really aids the question. Okay lads, that is your question completely finished. Alright, we have a 3D. As you can see, I solved it using the triangle method. Okay, it worked. So, thank you.